Now we move on to a question this time where we have three factors on the bottom here. They're all linear factors, so we know it's going to be of the form constant over the factors individually. And then we're going to try and make a common denominator again, but this time we've got extra things. So this term only has an x plus 1, but notice my denominator has three factors. So actually for the a, we need the other two factors here. Same idea with the b. Notice we have the x minus 1. We need all three of these, so we're missing these two here. So we're going to times by both of those. And it's going to be a long fraction, but for c, we have the x plus 3, but we need all three of these factors, so we're missing these two. X plus 1, x minus 1. Then we can set these two things equal to each other, and as our denominators are the same here, that means the numerators must be the same. So we could go ahead and set this equal to 8x squared. So we're just going to look at the numerators to find the value of a, b, and c. As before, we're going to try nice values. So I notice that 1 makes this first set of parentheses equal to 0. So if I plug 1 in here, this becomes 0. If you plug 1 into here, we get 2 and 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. So 8b equals 8 times 1 squared, which is 8. Therefore, b equals 1. I also think negative 3 is a good value to choose, because that would also make one of the parentheses equal to 0. It would also make this one 0 as well. So if we plug negative 3 into here, we get negative 2. And here we get negative 4. Negative 2 times negative 4 is 8. So 8c equals, if we plug negative 3 into here, negative 3 squared is 9, times 8 is 72. And therefore c equals 9. And our last value we can choose is, if we choose x equals negative 1, then this one, we hope that we'll get a left this time. So negative 1 take away 1 is negative 2. This will be positive 2, so when you times those together, you get negative 4. This becomes 0, this becomes 0, and if we plug negative 1 into here, we get positive 8. Therefore, we can say a equals negative 2. And if we substitute those three values into this expression, then we've solved our question.